One of the best things about Shopify is how easy to set up your shop. Seriously, even if you've never done anything like this before, Shopify makes it easy to get started. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube that you can just follow along and get your shops ready. Hello Internet people, my name is Robert, and in this video I'm going to review Shopify. You'll find out whether it's the right e-commerce platform for your business. We'll go over some of the pros and cons of using Shopify so you can make an informed decision. So ease of use isn't the only thing Shopify has going for it. Shopify is also highly scalable, which means that it can handle business of all sizes. Whether you have just a few products or a huge inventory, Shopify can accommodate all your needs. Shopify works flawlessly even if you have thousands of products and lots of visitors on your website. It can handle it for sure. In addition, Shopify has a ton of apps available that can help you do everything from dropshipping to print on demand to running rewards programs. These apps are often created by third-party developers, so you'll need to pay for them separately, but they can be well worth the cost. Shopify also integrates easily with social media and ad networks, for example with Facebook, Instagram, Google, and so on. If you're already using these platforms to promote your products, you can easily link them up with Shopify and then streamline the buying process for your customers. This can be a great way to increase sales and grow your business. Shopify also offers some unique features that can help you expand your reach beyond just your online store. For example, you can sell your products in a physical location by using Shopify's point of sale, so POS system. This can be a great option if you're selling at a craft fair or pop-up shop, or if you have a brick-and-mortar store in addition to your online store. It's not the cheapest POS, but it's available. Now, before jumping into the cons of Shopify, if you're still unsure which platform is right for you, then click on the first link in the description or just this URL that shows up now here. Answer a few questions and the tool will give you the best option for your needs. Of course, no platform is perfect and Shopify does have some downsides. One of the biggest drawbacks of using Shopify is the cost of apps. While many of the apps are affordable, some of the more advanced ones can be quite expensive, which can just add up quickly if you need several of them. And if the price is the biggest factor for you, then I would recommend considering WooCommerce. Watch my full review of WooCommerce by clicking on this banner here on the top. Another potential downside is the limited customization options. While Shopify does offer a lot of customization options, if you need something that isn't available through the platform or its apps, you'll need to hire a developer. This can be time-consuming and expensive because it's quite hard to find Shopify developers. Now, what's strange about Shopify is that you can't adjust the URL structure, so you are stuck with Shopify's default URL structure, which at first might sound like not a big deal, but as your store grows, it just starts to bother you. It's not really a deal breaker, but it's super annoying. Finally, Shopify's blogging features are super limited compared to other platforms like WordPress. If you're planning on using your e-commerce platform as a blog as well, you might want to consider using a separate platform for your blog content. So Shopify would run your store and then WordPress your blog. Overall, Shopify is a great e-commerce platform, especially if you're a beginner in e-commerce, not tech savvy, and don't have time to waste. Then Shopify is perfect for you. With its scalability, integrations with other software, and a wide range of apps available, Shopify is a great choice for anyone looking to make sales online, and you don't mind having a bit higher fixed cost for the added benefit of ease and speed. Now that you have learned what are the pros and cons of Shopify, without taking action, your e-commerce dream will just be that, a dream. So I challenge you to take action today. That's why you should watch this video next if you want to learn the basics of Shopify in just 15 minutes.